Members of the Navajo Nation fill a 380-liter tank with water to bring back home. How often do you guys have to come and do this? You come every twice a day?
Yeah.
The long drive to the water station in northern Arizona burned $30 worth of gasoline, but it's what this family and many others in the western Navajo reservation must do to get water, where 22 years of drought have dried up most water sources. The tribe estimates that over one-third of the homes on its 71,000 square kilometer reservation lack water. For decades, the tribe has sought access to water from the Colorado River, which flows along the western border of their reservation in Arizona. Along with 29 other tribes, the Navajo have rights to Colorado River water. But the U.S. Supreme Court ruled on June 22nd that federal government treaty obligations do not include an affirmative duty to help the Navajo Nation get that water. The dispute stems from what is called quantification, says Heather Tanana, a visiting professor at the University of California, Irvine Law School.
After the Supreme Court case that was just issued, tribes still, including Navajo Nation, have water rights. How much, though? That's the big question. How much water are they able to take out of various sources?
Although some tribes have reached settlements to use Colorado River water, others have been stymied by decades-long legal battles over the quantification issue. Tribes must reach agreements with the states in which they reside to access river water, which is allocated according to agreements reaching back over a century, deals from which Native Americans were originally excluded. After decades of drought, and with mandatory cuts in water usage expected, Tanana says tribes face growing challenges to get their share.
Had the government been found to have a responsibility to help the nation, we would have closed the water gap in Indian country a lot faster. It'll still happen. We'll still get there. It'll just take a little bit more time and a little more determination.
Until then, thousands of Navajos depend on sites like this one to get their daily water. Matt Dibble for VOA News, Page, Arizona.